stem cell, you're not just treating symptoms, you're healing from within. Ready for a breakthrough? Inquire now with the person who shared this video.
Aking food manufacturing company dito sa Cebu na ang pangalan ay Virginia. Isa na kayo nila rin sa Virginia. Basta hotdog Virginia. Tama, so dito ako nagtrabaho sa una. Kanya dito, pag disod kayo, nagkan ma-reject sa trabaho dito, kaya unang requirement dito, di ka madawat kung ikaw dili virgin. Kaya pag sinonimo mga tao dito, mga virgin. Tama? Even bata or may edad, lahat silang tanan, virgin. Even 86 years old, imagine, 86 years old, still virgin. Tama? Kaya pag nabot ako din ng company, medyo galisod, pupuk-adjust, kaya nga naman, unang na requirement, dapat ikaw ay virgin. Kaya katawa, tanawin mong lingay mong tapat. Mukhang virgin ba yan? Tama? Alright! So before ako na-involve sa ganitong negosyo, let me tell you a story lang, medyo saglit lang. I have a friend na maganda. Maganda, maputi, at sexy. Sabi niya sa akin, Hoy PJ, balita ko rin, naghahanap ka ng trabaho, tara kita tayo kasi train kita. At para matulungan na rin kita, makahanap ng trabaho, makapasok agad, at diretsyo ka na sa interview. At ayun, excited ako, super excited. Sabi niya sa akin, 2 PM magkikita tayo sa Jollibee. Tama? Eh syempre kapag maganda ang nagyaya sa'yo at sexy, alam na nating boys, kalat ka rin, di ba? Tama? So gano'n 2 PM ang among nasabutan ng magkita, 12 noon pa lang, nandun na ako. Walang lunch, walang breakfast, grabe. Gutom na gutom. Imagine guys kung saan nakagutom. At dumating siya 2 PM talaga, imagine. 2 PM siya dumating at imbes na tanungin niya ako, disim sa inani nga mangaon, gidit so kong dala sa training room. Seminar pala. So anak ko ay nabuhat, kaya nandun ako at doon na nagsimula ang lahat. Tama? It was awkward for me at that time kasi naka-formal attire ako. At ang mga katabi ko nakapambahay lang. Tama? That imbes na, why should we hire you? Tell me about yourself. Mga akong diandam na pangutan na utubak. Ang ipangutana sa inoon sa kuha is, gusto mo bang maging milyonaryo? Ako'y na-networking ako. So no choice, kaya naman ko dito sa training room. Di na ako makagawas. But because of that presentation, because of that event, dito yung nagsugod nga nabagupo ng akong pananaw sa kinabuhi. Tama? Because there was a speaker at that time sa last presentation. I was inspired by him, di ka siyang buhol. He was just a tricycle driver. Imagine. And because ningon din siya dito sa last part, nga ang networking nga ginalikayan sa uban, may naghatag niyang sakyanan. May naghatag niyang balay, at also nakakatulong pabako sa iyang financial status. Kung natag siya akong ego at that time, I was a graduate of 4 years course. Yung muli ko sa akin, mamukong na lang kay Wanay Pamiliti. Tama? Because I was a member of the Republic Act 1530. Wala pa sweldo sa 30, ang sweldo sa 15, hurot na. Buhay empleyado. Tama? But because of that event, dito naging ko naminaw pa. O tuon man tungkol sa akong ka-virgin, dili po na ako nasulayan ang akong mga una na first time. Lami ba ang first time?
Yes!
Lami kayo. Kaya naman, dili ko na ako na unang nasuwayan na makasakay og eroplano. Kaysa naga among nasuwayan lang dito, lana rin ang silig. Because that's the only mode of transportation sa naga. Alright? So, na-excite mo, nalipay mo sa akong ginashare sa inyo, mas ma-excite pa mo sa akong introduce sa inyo ha. Ready na ba ang tanan?
Yes!
Ready na? It is my greatest privilege and honor na i-introduce ang atong speaker for tonight. He is He's the owner of Wafer Models and Salons. He is a fashion and event director. Grabe no? He is the associate pastor of Victory Christian Culture Church. Please allow me to welcome and let us give him a round of applause to Pastor Miles Garcia Wafer.
Hello, Cebu. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'd like to say thank you very much for that generous introduction, Mr. Josephus. And of course, I would like to congratulate everyone for coming over and gracing this wonderful event. Once again, good morning to all beautiful, gorgeous, Dentistry Revealed about myself, my personal background, my achievements. I am Miles Garcia Weaver. I was born and raised in Pagadian City, in a very small island called White Beach. So there were just only 300 to 400 houses built in the top of this white sand. But after a few years, my mother's death, we moved to Cagayan de Oro City. There, I finished my secondary course. I also took my diploma level in Mindanao Bible College. But there's another, circumstances in life. We moved to Sindagan, Sumboanga del Norte. Then, after Sindagan, Sumboanga del Norte, my father had decided me to send here in Cebu City for the continuation of education. So I decided also to come over way back 1991. 1991, I enrolled at the University of Cebu, and that was Cebu Central Colleges at the time.
Wow!
Then, unfortunately, a year after, I quit my study due to financial crisis. But I came from a province here in Cebu. I thought, and I never have decided to go back in my province because nothing yet happened in my life. I looked for a job. I landed a kind of a job which is a sales representative of a certain company carrying a product of safety device of the LPG. Imagine, the basic salary is just only commission basis. How much you could guess that he earned at the time? What's your best guess? I would like to hear from you. Do you have some guess? How much he was earning at that time when he was in M Global Networking Marketing? Million? Is that million a week? Million? You are supposed to spend at least 8 hours time, no? In your sleeping. Up to David, that is still a long life being spent in the world, on earth. How these people live as long as this in this world. Anyway, now let's move forward. Let's talk about wellness revolution. So are you out of the trend? Because in the 21st century, this is now the trend, the stem cell therapy.
Wow!
More na siya. Ayaw mo pabilis karaan. Naunsa. Sige, bate nyo. Naunsa na. Okay, and then, even Barack Obama, during his time of presidency, invested huge amount of money for further study of blood stem cell therapy through triple stem cell is from the plants and fruits. Biblically speaking, God never created animal to be our medicine, but God created stem cell. Dili lang kayo sa mga exon, but there are 3 types of stem cells being put together in our breakthrough triple stem cell. One is the apple stem cell. What's the apple stem cell? So dili if there are stem cells, why do I need immortality? Now this is the answer. Because the cells that have been grown, new cells, to replace
Wow.
where's the mother? Dr. Evangeline Borla. Okay? So, thank you so much, Dr. Manuel, for voicing together with us in the event.
I'm Ed Consa, a businessman. Before, na-engage po ako sa isang printing business industry. But now, I'm still on the real estate business po. After using this product, the stem cells of the alpha, the triple stem cell breakthrough and the superfood po natin na immortality. I'm already 65 years old po.
Wow!
Wow!
Palakpak mo lang po dyan.
Wow!
Wow!
Now, I feel younger than my age po. taking this product.
Wow.
I can walk and stretching every other day for 1 hour and a half. Ganun po katindi po ito. Now, matanong ko po, sino po mga senior citizens na tulad ko dyan? Pakitaas po ng kamay, huwag kayo mahiya. May good news po ako sa inyo, lalo na pag mga lalaki. Okay. Dito po, taking the product, minapansin po ako. Yung dati pong hindi na gumagana,
Oy.
nakasada na.
Wow!
Wow.
Okay, now, doon po sa doon naman po sa mga senior, no, ito po tandaan natin. Age only, just a number. Kalabaw lang daw po ang tumatanda. Okay. Now, dito po, may napansin din po akong yung sleeping ability. Kasi po, lalo na sa edad namin, mga senior citizen, pag naligising mo kami ng 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, mahirapan na po kami bumalik matulog. But taking this triple stem cell product, the breakthrough, ang sarap na pong matulog.
Wow.
Pag-gising po natin ng alas 2, alas 3, siyempre may natural man tayo na pupunta tayo ng CR. Tama? Okay. Pagbalik ko po sa higaan, tulog na po kayo niyan. Oh, ganun po siya katindi. Oh. Now, dito po, sa akin naman po, may nangyari po sa akin last month. Nagpa-check up po ako sa isang doktor. Gawa na may camping po ako. At dahil siyempre, alam mo yung mga edad namin, madaling magkaroon ng sakit, no? Nag-camping po ako na sobrang tigas. Even si pastor, alam niya yun, si chairman. Nagpa-check po ako sa doktor. Okay. Pina-x-ray pa talaga ako ng doktor. Binigyan ako ng resita, good for 1 week. Pero wala pong nangyari sa akin. Yung ubo ko kasing tigas pa rin ng akin, no? Di ba? Oh. Ngayon, alam niyo pa anong ginawa ko? Nag-take lang po ako ng 2 breakthrough and 2 pong immortality po natin. After 4 to 5 days po, wala na po akong ubo.
Wow.
At hindi yung produkto natin.
Amazing!
Okay. Now, ako naman po, using the product, mapansin nyo po ito dito na your personal appearance, you look younger than your age. Tama
Yeah.
po? Okay. Now, ang ginawa ko naman po, nagdo ako ng business. Because, 65 years old, 2 to 3 years from now, I'm looking forward na itong business na ito po yung magbibigay sa akin ng ano tawag nito, yung durability na kikita ako. Kasi may infinity po dito. Na yung kikitain mo, darating ang panahon, 1 year to 2 years from now, you will receiving even million of pesos, no? Every month. And yung sino magto sa business, kikita rin po ng milyon yan.
Yeah.
Kaya sa akin po, wag na kayo magtubay-to dito sa business na to kasi makikita nyo po talaga it workable. Because the goodness of the product will do the business. Okay, and thank you.
Thank you very much!